everybody, I hope you all had a great weekend. Today we're going to have a look at a new sound, but first I'd like to just go over the sounds that we learnt last week. Are you ready? A. May I play? E. What can you see? I. Fly high. O. Blow the snow. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Look at a book. R, start the car. Or, shut the door. Air, that's not fair. Whirl and whirl. Ow, shout it out. Oi, toy for a boy. E, cup of tea. Oi, spoil the boy. Well done. How many of those did you remember? Today we're going to have a look at a new sound. The sound we're going to look at today is A. A. Now this picture for this A has two children and they're making a cake. So we say make a cake. Make a cake. Well done. Now, difference between this and our other special friends is these are chatty friends. And they can't sit together because they chat too much, so we have to put another letter between them. So this together, special friends make the A sound. A. A. But when we write it, we have to have a space for a different letter. But they still have their arms around each other to show they're special friends. Let's have a go at sounding out some words. Can you tell what I'm saying? K, A, K. Cake, well done. D, A, T. Date, super job. N, A, M. Name, well done. Okay, let's have a go at saying the rhyme and sound. Are you ready? Super job, well done. Now, I have a small card with my chatty friend A on. Now I'm going to hide it in my pack of cards that we've already learnt. Are you ready? Remember, say all the sounds you can see, but when you get to what today's sound, shout it out and point to the ceiling. Are you ready? It is an A sound, but not today's A. Well done, you spotted it. Let's hide it one more time. Are you ready? Again, the A sound. Is it today's A sound? No, well done. Great job, you found it. Now I have some words with the new A sound in. Are you ready? Remember, spot the chatty friend first. Well done. A, D, A, T. Date. Great job. A, L, A, T, late. Well done. A, S, A, M, same. You're doing a fantastic job. Last one. Great. A, cake. Yum. Okay, now for the silly alien words. Are you ready? Remember, spot your chatty friends and some special friends if they're there. Are you ready? Well done. Did you spot your chatty friends? Did you spot a special friend? Great. Let's have a go together. A, quaid. We have A as our chatty friend and qu as our special friends. Well done. Let's have a look at the next one. Super job. Let's sound it out together. A, flayed. One more. Are you ready? Super job. A, plague. Say, what a lot of nonsense. Okay, now we're going to have a go at practicing in our books. You can pause the video throughout again to give you a chance to do your writing. Okay, first thing we're going to do is practice our A sound. Now, when we do our A sound, remember to say it as you write it. It will help you remember. Now, to do our A sound, we have to remember that they are chatty. We need to put them separate. Put a little line in between where we will put another letter. And then join your chatty friends together. A, don't forget your finger space. A, A. Now have a go at writing those in your book. Okay, we're going to have a go at writing some words with the A sound. Now, sometimes this can be a little bit more tricky, but don't worry, we'll work on it together. The first word we're going to have a go at writing is name. Don't forget to pinch those sounds. Let's do it together. Name. 3 sounds, well done. Let's do it one more time. Name. Now when we write this, it's a little bit different because we write the A sound and then go back and put the one in between to stop them chatting. Let's do this one together. So the first sound in name is n. Well done. The second sound, A. Well done. Now we write the A sound, leaving a space for our middle sound. A, we go back and put the sound in. A, A, Well done. Don't worry if you're a little bit confused. We're going to carry on doing it all week, okay? Let's have a look at our next word. The next word we're going to do is game. Let's have a go at sounding it out. Game. 3 sounds, well done. Let's do it one more time. Well done. Have a go at writing this and then we will check it together. Okay, so well done for having a go. Let's see how you got on. So in the word game, game, 3 sounds. The first sound is, that's it, g. Well done. The next sound in our word is Let's put our A sound in. Remember, we need to leave a space for our final sound. Well done, you got it. Super job. Now, Let's have a look. If you got your G, give yourself a tick. If you had your A sound, give yourself a tick. And if you put your sound in the middle, give yourself a tick. If you didn't get it quite right, don't worry, just correct it underneath. So my last sound that we're going to write today, my last word we're going to write today is shake. Now this has a special friend and a chatty friend. Are you ready? Shake. Great work. Let's pinch those sounds together. Sh, a, k, shake. Have a go at writing it in your book. Super. Now let's have a look at it together. So our first sound is a special friend. It is, that's right, shh. Great work. Let's have a look at our next one. Shh. A. Super job. So we need to write our chatty friend. Now let's have a go at our last one. Shh. A. K. Super. I put my K in the middle to stop them chatting. Now have a go at marking your work. If you manage to find the special friend shh, give yourself one tick. If you manage to put in the chatty friend A, give yourself a tick. And if you manage to put the kicking K in the middle, give yourself a tick. Don't worry if you didn't get it quite right, you can have a go at writing it underneath to correct it. I will see you tomorrow with another sound. Take care. Bye.